Welcome. Step inside the hotel management department, where service is a mindset, not just an action. Comfort is crafted with care, every detail defines luxury, every touch adds elegance. The art of cooking begins in the smallest moments, and then the magic ignites. Every gesture tells a story. More than service, it's a connection. A perfect blend of skills and style. Every drink tells a story, precision in every pour. It's more than what we serve, it's what you feel. This is our story. Come and be a part of it.